How to connect suppliers to Shopify Store using Shopify apps. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your suppliers to your Shopify stores using Shopify apps so you can streamline product sourcing and order fulfillment. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first, you have to log into your Shopify account and then you will be in the Shopify dashboard. So basically, you can do it manually by navigate to products here, and then you can just click add products. So you can add the products, and you can put the suppliers, and basically it's connecting your store to the suppliers. And also you can import the products if you have the files, the specific files like CSV to use it to your Shopify store. And in this video specifically, we're gonna use Shopify apps. So we can go to apps here. Then you can search the apps. So maybe I will show you maybe some popular apps like CJ Dropshipping. This one, if you click it, you will see the CJ Dropshipping apps. So this one is the popular one because a lot of people using it, and actually they have a lot of reviews here. It's really good. And as you can see, you can work with TikTok Shop, Shopee, and others platform like eBay, Etsy, and others. So it's really good if you want to try find the best products to your Shopify store in this app. Also, if you want to try another one, maybe you can try AutoDS. This one, AutoDS. And this is also the popular one because they have a lot of users and they have a good rating, I guess. And they can work with, Shopify admins, Amazon, Walmart, and even AliExpress. So yeah, it's really good. And maybe you want to try another one like the source. This one, this is also good for you if you want to try dropshipping from AliExpress. And they also have a lot of reviews here, very good reviews. So yeah, maybe you want to try it. You can try one by one maybe, or you can research more to decide the best app you want to use. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.